Welcome back to our channel Ayurveda 360. So you have already seen the session 1 of this Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, so in which we have already started with Healthcare Professional Registry. So in this video we are going to have a discussion, or you can say live demonstration of how to apply online for this HPR, Healthcare Professional Registry. Now regarding details of this, watch session 1, link is given in the description. So what are the required documents for uploading? One is registration certificate. You require this in hand. You can say before applying or before going to the website, please keep this ready. Degree certificate, if you have higher qualification, additional degree, and then any work related experience. So once you enter into this particular portal, so the link is given in the description. This is how the portal looks, Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. We go for the health professional. So you can see here home, about ABDM and all those things. Click here for registration. So the point is we are going to register and we are the new user here. Go for the new user. So professionals will get the professional ID via this. You need either Aadhaar card or driving license. Just enter the Aadhaar card number. You require to have the mobile phone in which you have the SIM which is linked with Aadhaar, because you are going to get OTP. It's a usual process. I don't think it requires any explanation. So once you get the OTP, certain times you may not get it in the first attempt. Just try again, you will get it, no issues. Maybe the server issue. So you may be asked for some security purpose, or certain captcha or certain things like this. Select all the images. So these are all just formality. Once you are done with this, you will be getting the OTP. Just enter the OTP and submit it. So once you submit you will get the phone number. Next is your phone number registration. Again, the security purpose. So first is Aadhaar card verification. Next there will be phone number verification. So phone number you can change. You need not be Aadhaar. You can change here. So once you can say the security thing is over, capture this kind of selections. Then will be given a OTP to your mobile. This process is nothing but verification of your mobile. So once you give the OTP, submit, and then you will get the registration form. You get the registration form. Here you can see if you're a doctor, click on the doctor. So in the subcategory list, if you are from Ayurveda, you can click Ayurveda, otherwise the respective field, and then the user ID of your choice. Now it is the choice, just like creating an email ID. Give anything of your choice. If it is available, it will show. Otherwise, it will show it is already taken. You can change the username. Give the email ID as well. So the phone number is verified. At the same time, email ID will also be verified. So you have to keep your email open, inbox open, so that there may not be any delay while this registration is being done. So one advice is don't give a random email ID like the one where you have most number of junk mails. Just create another email ID for all professional purpose. Better to create a professional kind of email ID with or you can say information depicting your job. So once the OTP is given, send to your email ID, just verify that. It gets verified. All other things will be out of it because it's linked with the Aadhaar. Password you have to choose by yourself. Uppercase is required, lowercase required. Number is also required. Special characters also. Minimum 8 characters. Once you give that, just re-enter. This is for the purpose of your profile registration. This you need to keep in mind. Whatever name, email ID, and this thing you are giving, the password, you need to remember that. Then you will be given this kind of login. So this is the registration profile. Now it is the beginning one. The ID number is already created. You can see here 5311, that is the healthcare professional ID. So this will be the first page as soon as you create your profile. Of course, you get the professional ID number. So you need to complete that. This is just the beginning. You have various steps here. You can see here you have 4 steps. One is personal details, is already done. Next is registration and academic details. Third is work detail, and then UDUPI profile. Healthcare professional ID will be instantly created. Now we are into the personal details. Some things are already auto-filled. Father's name, mother's name. So this won't take much time because I think these are common data which are collected everywhere. So this has an option of copy paste. There is no issue with that. Certain websites may not allow you to go for copy paste or write disabilities. So languages spoken, give the languages which you can speak and understand. So the more languages you speak, it is always beneficial for especially a doctor, even other healthcare professional. So other ID, other address already auto taken. Communication purpose, if you have any other address, just click that. Otherwise, same as the above, if you give the if you click that option, it will auto take the previous address. So I don't think you require explanation for this, but since the process is step by step, you can just watch. So now we are going for personal detail in filling. We have 3 more steps. So wherever you see the star mark, red star mark, it means it is compulsory. You need not give all the information, whatever is been asked. If you feel you don't want to give, just see if it is a compulsory one or not. How will you identify? See the star mark, whatever is there in star, that is compulsory. Other things you can just leave. Here you can see sub district or not compulsory. There is no star mark there. District is compulsory, address compulsory, country is compulsory. So you can choose to not answer those, like not compulsory questions. Certain times you may not get what you require. Even the main district would be sufficient. Pin code is must. So I'm going to enter the pin code. That the information for public display. You can see here mobile number for public display, email ID for public display. So now, should your mobile number be same as your official number? Yes. So it will auto take that. Next question is, should your public email be same as your official? Yes. Take as it is. Otherwise, you can give different one. If you want to display your information for public directly on the portal, either you can choose both mobile as well as email ID. But here for the demonstration purpose, I am giving only the email ID. So the process is the same. Just enter whatever you want to display, and the portal will verify that. It's not like you enter and it just gets displayed on the screen. It gets verified through the OTP method, so which means each and every step is getting authenticated. It's not so, you can say, urgently made like kind of portal. It's a well thought, well like planned kind of portal. After that, go for save and next. You can see only allowed only letters. So if you have given certain dots, you can just remove them. So once the saving is done, will be sent to the second part, registration and academic details. So for this purpose, you require certain document. As I already mentioned, registration certificate is must. So choose the council where you are registered. So all the boards are mentioned, like drop down box. One advantage of the drop down box is, so boards are already there in the portal, so you need not worry. And at the same time, you need not type each and every word letter. So you can give the keyword. The drop down box will show you. For example, I am typing here BORD, Board of Indian medicine. So it will take that, it will search, but ultimately you have to select. And registration number, I think you will be having the certificate with you. Of course, you will be remembering that as well. Easily you can write the registration number. So after registration number, it is the registration date, then due date for renewal. Those things are there. So keep the document ready. Otherwise, what happens? The portal gets delayed, or you can say the portal will be inactive. At that time, maybe the information may not be saved. So always save draft. See save draft option below. Just keep it saved so that the information is not always, let's say, lost. You need not type again. Go for registration number, then registration date, if available. It's mentioned in this file available, but I don't think any board will miss the date of registration. It is available in most of the cases, and most of the times it is renewable, probably every 5 years or something. Certain states even have yearly basis or 2 year basis, depending on your board and the rules. You have to fill this due date for renewal. So due date for renewal in the sense, on what particular date you have to do for the board again to get the certificate or registration renewed. Then the attachment, already mentioned earlier, so we'll have it ready. Keep it in any of the format as mentioned, PDF or JPG or PNG, and instantly select that. The registration selected. So another option is pull from DigiLocker. That option is also there. If you have a good internet connection along with mobile in your hand, definitely DigiLocker will be okay, the good option. But you have to already keep the data ready in DigiLocker. Then it becomes easy. Then here you have to manually enter the details of your qualification. Initially go for undergraduation, which college, which state, which university, everything is there in drop down format. And as already mentioned, you have the search option. Directly you get the name of the college or university. You don't have to type in, it auto takes. Degree certificate, whatever date is mentioned, usually the date will be 1 or 2 months within soon after the final exam. Just see what is mentioned and you can give that. And then again you require degree certificate attachment. So these two are must. Here, one is registration and degree, both are must. If you have higher education, if only which is there, that is sufficient. If you have higher, so you can go for specific higher. So the process will be same, just like the degree certificate. No extra information here. This is one of, we can say, very well planned portal. You can see most of the colleges or all the colleges or university names being there. If you select the college, it automatically takes the university. So that is one good thing about this. You don't have to type everything manually. Certain things are auto. So again, just like your degree attachment, go for attachment of higher degree. Already you might have kept it ready, so directly you can select that. So once you select that, keep in mind it is a higher education, not the undergraduation. I'm talking about the higher. So one thing you need to keep in mind is certain times you may get the degree certificate late. So degree certificate may be printed after 1 year. Don't write that date. Just see which month you are actually getting the degree certificate, and also keep in mind regarding your completion of your PG. So you can take that and then go for save draft, then save and next. If you don't want to enter into next part, just save draft. If you want to enter next as well, then complete everything at once, then save and next. Just go through the information, whatever you given. So there could be certain mistakes, maybe in choosing the dates or months. This slide you can see here. Just recorrect it. Of course, you have the opportunity to correct again. But initially, if you make it correct, then it doesn't have, you won't be getting extra work later. Again, in all the cases, it is DigiLocker facility being given there. So if you have all the documents in DigiLocker, then it is the easiest one to fill. So DigiLocker also being a part of Digital India. So it's a, can say, a revolutionary step. So save and next. Certain times portal may be very fast, certain times it may be slow, depending on your internet connection and as well as the portal like server. Work details, third part is work details. So specialty, what is your specialty? You have to select that. If you are a general practitioner, go for that. Bms or Mbbs or DHMS. If you are in higher education, then go for that. Specific, the post-graduation subject is also mentioned or specialty is also mentioned. From the drop down box, kindly select that. And then regarding current work details, what are the ways of, like, what are the purpose you are serving to your work? Is it just the consultation, or is it research, or the teaching, or anything like that? You have to give the proof here. Say you are working in this particular institution, you have to give the proof. So you can see here there is either requirement of appointment letter, or recent payslip, recent transfer order, anything like that. Any document will be fine. There should be one document which can be uploaded in PDF or JPG, PNG format for the purpose of completing this current work details. So if you have your own clinic, that is also possible. You can add that private practice, both government. So appointment letter I am adding here. So after that, which type of, so is it a simple facility or organization? If it is an organization, you have to mention the name of the organization. If you are working in particular hospital, you have to mention the particular hospital. If you are working in an institute, you have to mention the name of the institute. So what is the designation? Here again you can see the star mark. Whatever is there in star red, that is compulsory, otherwise not necessary. So address of that particular organization and then the pin. Once you enter this, you will be getting this work information, work details in the box below. It gets auto updated. So you want to, are you sure you want to declare this organization? Yes. You want to declare, you can declare. You can even delete it later if there is any mistake in spelling or other things. Definitely initially you have to leave it like declare organization. Once you declare that, that same thing will be updated in the box. You can verify that if there is any issue. If you don't want to link it, if you left the job, you can delete it. So job details also done. Save and next to the last step, that is review your profile. So it automatically takes the years of experience based on your undergraduate certificate, and it also takes the specialization. Here you can see specialization is there. So concentrate fields for what are the things you want to show, display to the public. That you have here, you have an option. Picture, place of work status, whatever you want to display. You have the opportunity of choose by yourself later. Save draft and then submit. Save draft is just like your Word file. Just keep on saving. So congratulations, your application is successfully submitted. Which means the process is complete. Now the next process will be from this particular portal to the respective board, and once the board gets this verified, then you will be notified through SMS and email. Until then you may not receive anything. Don't expect any message or mail. So that is in relation to the SPR. So details of that, as I already mentioned, description you can see, and even other stations are available and they will be uploaded. Link will be given in the description. Until next time, thank you.